Hi beauties, I'm back with another video, and today I've partnered up with Soultanicals to show you how to get your curls popping and create this really cute and simple beginner-friendly hairstyle for my chicas out there who don't know how to braid or twist. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, y'all should know by now that you need to have a nice clean base to start your wash and go on. So today I'm actually going to be trying my very first hair detox, which is this Soultanicals Master Hair Cleanse Curl Detox. So this product detoxifies your strands by drying out impurities and deeply cleansing your hair, leaving you with soft, manageable, enhanced curls. It contains burdock root, which has vitamin A, which helps nourish the scalp and strengthen the hair, as well as help relieve scalp irritation and other scalp disorders to maintain a healthy scalp and promote hair growth. It also contains bentonite clay, which is rich in minerals like sodium, potassium, and calcium, which are essential for hair growth. And it also is an antimicrobial, so it's going to help with irritated and flaky scalps, just to name a few of the ingredients. The Curl Detox has a nice creamy consistency, and it just has such a pleasant, clean, and fresh scent. So I separated my hair into 4 sections and I applied the product all throughout my damp hair and scalp. Then I covered my hair with a plastic bag and I allowed it to sit for 30 minutes before rinsing it off. So the Master Hair Cleanse Curl Detox did a tremendous job in really cleansing my hair, and it did so without my hair drying out because my hair felt fluffy and moisturized. So this is definitely a product I'll be incorporating into my regimen for those times I feel like my hair and scalp could really use a good cleanse and detox. But comment below and let me know if you've tried this product before or if you've ever detoxed your hair. After I cleansed my hair, I followed up with the Afrotastic Curl Elastic Deep Conditioning Treat, which, let me just say, y'all, like, I'm really loving the packaging of all the products. I mean, even the box the products were shipped in, which if you follow me on Instagram and keep it with my stories, then you saw how much thought was placed into the box, as well as all the product names, because they all just have this just funky and soulful feel to them, which I can really appreciate a brand that really puts a lot of thought and effort into the little things, because that really makes a great first impression and it makes the brand just really memorable. So kudos to Soultanicals for really keeping every detail in mind. And let me just add, y'all, that all the products are made by hand and this is a Black-owned business. So the deep conditioner smelled really good and it had tremendous slip, so it made detangling a breeze. Then I covered my hair with a plastic cap and allowed it to sit for 20 minutes before rinsing it off. After I rinsed it off, my hair was left feeling super moisturized and soft. Then I followed up with a little bit of the Mango Dip Detangling Sip, which can be used as a leave-in or a rinse-out conditioner. And OMG, y'all, this stuff smells amazing and the sip is on a whole nother level, like for real. So if you have a lot of issues with detangling and are always looking for products to help you with the detangling process, then I definitely suggest checking this one out. Now, to define my curls, I split my hair into 4 sections and dampened the section. Then I applied the Soultanicals Can't Believe It's Not Butta, which is a moisturizing cream-based product that contains coconut milk and Jamaican black castor oil, both of which my hair absolutely loves. This too smells amazing, and I made sure I applied an ample amount all throughout the section to ensure that every strand gets coated and moisturized. So afterwards, I applied a little bit of the Fro'zen Drip and Grip Supa Hold Gel to add a little more hold to the style. Then I brushed out and scrunch the section to define my curls. So you basically just repeat that same process all throughout all 4 sections, ensuring you're wetting your hair so that it's close to soaking wet, applying enough product so that every strand gets coated and moisturized to prevent your hair from having any frizzy areas. After you finish your entire head, you can allow your hair to air dry or you can diffuse. I diffuse my hair on a medium to high heat setting, alternating between the cold shot button, and I flip my head from side to side and upside down to create some volume. Now you can find Soultanicals products in Sally Beauty, and for a limited time, you can receive a free product if you email a copy of your in-store Sally receipt to info@soultanicals.com. Or you can save $10 off your $25 purchase on www.soultanicals.com with the coupon code MSCHEA got so. That's MSCHEA got so from now until May 17th, 2019. So you can go ahead and save some coins. Once my hair was fully dry, you can see how to find the Soultanicals products left my hair like really odd. Do y'all see how much shrinkage I got going on right now? I don't think I've ever had a wash and go shrink this short. That's how defined the products left my hair. My curls were popping severely. I absolutely love my results because the products left my hair super defined, shiny, moisturized, and fluffy with zero flaking or a hard, stiff, crunchy feeling from the gel. Okay, so to create the hairstyle, you're gonna want to section off your hair right behind your ear up until it meets your side part. Then you're gonna split that section down into 3 even pieces, and you're just going to gather each section with a little hair tie. So you start off with the front section, then you gather the hair from that section and add it to the second piece before gathering it with a hair tie and so forth. So after you've gathered back all 3 sections, just take a bobby pin to position the hair up a bit so that it flares out rather than just hangs down. Then you can just take some hair jewelry like these little braid clips that I found at my local beauty supply store to give the style a little bit more pizzazz. But that's pretty much it, you guys. A really simple, cute, curly hairstyle that all of you should be able to do. Comment below and let me know how you like this style, and let me know if you want to see some more beginner-friendly hairstyles that don't involve braiding or twisting. Also, let me know if you've tried any products from Soultanicals before, and let me know which one is your favorite. Make sure you check the description box for more information on Soultanicals as well as the coupon code so you can take advantage to save some of them coins, girl. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so more people can find it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at naturallychia for more curly hair videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.